Doing, living life, baby. Yeah. Yeah, see this one? Conrad Sue come for her, you know?
Come for her.
Yeah. Yeah, we're living the life here. Here's the pool and stuff. Yeah. You know what? I know my wife is gonna put this on Facebook. But I come to this hotel and you get so much for one Pepsi. $300 fucking dollars.
Which is no big deal.
Listen, I take out $200 to pay for these 2 Pepsis. And the lady told me $300. I said $610. I said, what the fuck? Yep.
Here.
I was so fucking shy. Yep. But that is just it, you know. But I'm just here chilling. Sneaky. Facebook. Give you 1,000 likes before an hour. And you get 2,000 US dollars. Okay, love you, Facebook. Peace. Say peace, my wife.
Peace.
Okay, say peace, my friend.
Peace.
She's the crazy one.